Sanibona emakhaya, igama lami Scelo Ngubane. I'm an inspirational speaker. So today we're going to be talking about a very significant topic called restoring your life again. Now, I know that most of the time as people we feel used, so to speak. We feel as if everything has been taken away from you. Last time Musandile spoke about the fact that ufana ne-apula. Abantu bangalidla, but the last thing that they throw away, they don't realize the value of something. Ukuthi, the value of the apple is still in the seed. So the seed could be seen to what Lira's song says, something inside so strong.
Yeah.
Something very profound, so strong, is inside the apple. You can see apula around, but the only thing that is very critical of the apple is something that is inside the apple. Something inside, so strong.
Yeah. Yabona i-apple sengiphumile endabeni i-apple because sechaze ukuthi i-apple lenze njani.
Okay.
Happiness is not something that managing. Okay. Happiness is not ready-made.
Yeah.
Happiness is your action.
Wow. Powerful.
Yeah. I think opinion.
Sure.
Happiness is not ready-made. I told you it comes from your action. Isn't
Okay.
Anginasikhathi ukukhuluma English mina yabo manje sekubuhlungu lana ngathi ngishawa Chris Rock manje ikhuluma English ngigugulile lento ithatheni nibone ukwenza kanjani ngayo iqhubeka ngwena ngoku.
But I think I like what you're saying about happiness is a result of your own actions, which means what you do every day. When you put happiness, you're gonna reap happiness. Whatever that you are doing in your, it becomes reciprocal. I know you said it's long, but it becomes reciprocal because whatever you are putting in is what you're gonna get out. So happiness is not an acting. It's not something that you get just from one thing, but it's a result of continuous action that you put into yourself. So I think that's very profound coming from you. That's so powerful.
Yeah. Ngoops. Lalela ngithatha ku ngoops phela sithola la lento. Sangisho ukuthi ke niqhumeke ke niyenze lento niyenzayo engazi ukuthi yini. Ngoops ivale manje.
Okay, thank you very much. I hope and believe that you'll realize that inside of you there lies that inner self. Even if you feel used, even if you feel like you have nothing, but within you, there is something inside that is so strong. And it will make you to overcome. It will make you to be strong. And as you said, it's not an accident.
Yeah.
But it's actions and actions.
Yeah. Thank
you so much, Makai. Hope you enjoyed. Visit us again. It was nice to have our guests today, Sandile. Hope to have more guests. Thank you very much.
That's all.